All right, welcome back to our grammar portion today, guys and girls. Today we're looking at future tense stuff. So, just as yesterday, we have a new PDF file below, right? In that PDF file, we have some collocations, some phrases using modal verbs like will not, and can, along with pronouns like what, I, you, he, we, they, she, it, and so on. Again, your main task is going to be to make these phrases natural, make them reflexive. And how do we do that? We repeat them again and again. So just as the previous task was for past tenses to repeat these phrases too, because it truly does work. Your second task for today is to understand some of these phrases we have, such as I intend to, right? I plan on buying something. I feel like going to the cinema. I might watch a movie at home tonight. Using those phrases as well. So we use these different phrases to express maybe our plan, our decision for the future, our confident plan for the future, or maybe something we highly doubt or we're not sure about, right? So I'll tell you about my day. I went to CrossFit this morning, so I'm super tired right now, extremely tired. But I am about to eat some lunch because I am starving, right? So I'm going to go into the refrigerator, look in there and see what I have. And I know right now I have a lack of milk. So I need to go to the shop. So I'm going to go to the shop this evening for sure. And I plan on buying milk, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, avocado, some hummus, and some fresh vegetables and fruits as well. I usually go to Vaucoustville or maybe Auchan and do my shopping once a week there. So yeah, these phrases, right? I plan on, might, I'm about to, I hope to, I intend to do something. Work on using these things, right? A few things about them. Will, it's about a decision, right? It's not about a future plan. It's about a decision, a prediction, or making a request. A request is what? To get somebody to do something for you. So, hey, will you please get me some coffee, sir? That's a request. Or maybe my wife will go to the market and like, hey, babe, will you please bring me home something sweet? Which I shouldn't do, right? So work on these phrases, maybe just think about what your plan is for today or what you're going to do later and how these phrases would fit into these plans. Okay, so your last task for the day is you are going to make a video of what's in your refrigerator. And using the phrases a few, a little, little, and some. Remember, if we don't use article a with few or little, it has a negative meaning, like not enough. So like, I'm going to go open my refrigerator before I go to the market, and I'll probably see like, I have a few eggs, 3 or 4, but that's not enough. So I plan on buying some eggs this evening, I'm sure. And I'll look at my refrigerator and like, oh, I have a lack of milk. Okay, check. Put milk on the shopping list, right? Okay, and I also expect to buy some chicken and turkey because I have a lack of meat as well. I have a little juice. I don't drink juice often. And I have a little beer, and I don't drink that often either. So I probably will not buy that kind of stuff. After I go to the market this evening, I intend to come home and relax because tomorrow is Monday, the first working day of the week. So, you make your video, 1 minute long minimum. In that video, tell us what you have, what you don't have, using a few, using a little, few, little, and maybe a lack of. And send it to us. And of course, we will send you feedback and help you use all of these phrases in the correct way. So, have a great day.